Welcome back to Monica Masters Cooking. Today I'm going to be making some bread, white bread, for the very first time. So fingers crossed that it will work out perfectly. I've got some 500 grams of bread flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of salt, and a sachet of yeast. So I'm going to combine them all together. The flour has been sifted. Combine all the ingredients, I've been told, all together, and then I'm going to give it a nice mix to add some warm water to it as well. There you go. Mix it all together. I'm going to add some warm water just to make it nice and doughy. Once that starts, I will start to knead it for about 10 minutes and allow it to rest for about 30 minutes. So let's get that going. Well, I've kept on adding some water until you get to a nice consistency of dough. And now I'm going to knead this for about 10 minutes on a nice clean surface. There you go, it's easier to work in. And I'm going to add a wee bit of flour just to give it a bit of a, just to dust some flour on it. And keep kneading it for about 10 minutes. So I shall see you soon. There you go, it's perfect. So I'm going to let that rest now for about half an hour to an hour. So it's been resting, so let's have a look and see. Oh wow, look at that. So next stage is to put that into the oven. Taking it out, and now I'm going to just quick knead again. I think that might be a bit too much dough, so I'm going to cut that in half and put that into my loaf tin. Just dusting some flour on it very quickly. There we go. This one as well. It looks amazing. So now it's time to put that into the oven. Let's see what happens. And fingers crossed. Here we go. So I'm going to bake it at 200 for about 18 to 20 minutes. Put that on the timer, and there you go. I've just taken it out of the oven, and that is the result, which I'm so pleased with. The next thing I need to do is just get it cooled down for a few minutes, and then I'm going to have a slice. Yeah, let's try and give it a cut and make sure it's perfect. Oh, just look at that. Oh my days, look at that. It's still hot though. Brilliant. Oh my goodness. I don't think I will be buying bread anymore. I think I found a new passion. Very good.